Stop and Go. The first game is Stop and Go. Your goal is to tap the green pixels while avoiding the red ones. Tap the greens to increase your score, but don't touch the reds or it's game over. Speeder. Next up is Speeder. Keep an eye on the pixels that light up. Grab your joystick and be ready to react. Your goal is to follow the directions as quickly as possible. As you play, the commands come quicker and quicker. You score a point every time you move the right way. Follow the directions and keep up with the speed of the game. It keeps getting faster. If a row or column lights up green, move the joystick in the direction of the green pixels. If a row or column lights up red, move the joystick in the opposite direction of the red pixels. If only one pixel lights up in green, press it quickly. If only one pixel lights up in red, don't press it. That will be game over. Rhythm Tap. The next game is Rhythm Tap. The goal here is to hit all the falling pixels once they reach the white bottom line. Watch closely as the pixels move down the screen. You get a point for each pixel you hit. Tap the pixels at the exact moment they reach the bottom line. Timing is crucial. Get ready to munch some pixels and eat greens. Use the joystick to eat the green pixels while avoiding the red rabbit. Keep munching those greens and watch out for the red rabbit's tricky moves. The more greens you eat, the higher your score. Match It. The next game is Match It. Flip the pixels to find matching color pairs as quickly as you can. The quicker you move, the better. Your goal is to get the lowest and fastest score possible. Test your memory and try to get the lowest score. Color Code. Time to crack the code in Color Code. Pay close attention to the color combinations and where they are. The goal is to find the correct colors and locations to earn points. You want to get the lowest and fastest score possible. Watch closely. First, you need to make a color combination. When you tap a pixel on the bottom row, it lights up with a color. If you like the color, move to the next pixel. If not, tap it again to change color. Repeat this action for all 4 bottom pixels until you get the color combination you want. When you're done creating your color combination, use the joystick to move down a row and reveal whether you cracked the code. A green pixel means you did it. You got the correct color in the right place. A yellow pixel means that the color is correct, but it's not in the right place. Keep the correct colors in place and try to figure out the remaining ones. Each row you go down will get you closer to the code. It's tricky, but you can do it. And there you have it, gamers. Are you ready to play TAPTAP 2?